Hello, my name is Anupriya. Friends, have you ever tried to figure it out that if you are good at reading, writing and listening English well, so why can't you speak English fluently and confidently? Yes, I will reveal you the reason. Because once you read, write or listen, everything happens between two people and both are you. It's only you know what you are exactly doing. But once it comes to speaking the English language, there are more witnesses who are noticing what you are exactly doing. If you are using the correct pronunciations, if the sentence is right, if you are good at it, etc, etc. Alright, so you just try to be fluent with your language, and once you are not able to succeed in this area, what you do, you just commit few mistakes. Alright, so before I go very much on the floor, I just want to introduce you that what exactly fluency means. What do you understand that fluent English means? Suppose if I am speaking in a manner like, I will get up very early in the morning tomorrow because I have to rush to my college. I'll take my bath early. Probably I'll miss my bath and probably I'll miss my breakfast, and I'll leave for probably at 10:30 in the morning and I'll reach the college on time. Do you think that this is the fluency in English means? No. Alright, if you think that this is the fluency means, that you appreciated me, so I'm quite happy, it's good for me. But for your kind information, the fluency doesn't mean that you are speaking English language in a rapid manner and with a high speed or in a zeal or enthusiastic voice. No. Once it comes to the fluency, it should be connected with each other sentences. Alright, and the pronunciation should be clear and the message should be conveyed to the listener what you have in your mind. This is what the fluency is meant. If you are working at a professional place and you need to deliver a speech as a presentation, so you can say, I am quite delighted that I have got an opportunity to speak before your people. In my speech, I will try to convey the whole information to all of you, and during the whole speech, if you find any trouble or any query, you can ask me at the end of the session. This wrap of the speech was quite slow but clear to you. It was not in a rapid manner. So fluency means clean, conveyed, alright, and clear pronunciation. Nothing much than that. And the first method to be fluent in English is think in English. This one is carrying 4 parts and you have to follow one by one each. Alright, so first one is think individual English word. Since you get up early in the morning and you sleep by the night, there are lots of objects you see around you. I'm telling the object, it means the single thing. Alright, it may be a toothbrush, your towel, then your bed sheet, then wash, then breakfast, newspaper, table, chair, then bus, then reaching to your college or your office, then there's your workstation, then what you have kept on your workstation, your flower vase, your folder, cabin of the boss, etc. Anything, alright? Every object you see and observe, relate that in English word in your mind. Only thing, alright? Next segment comes, that is think about simple and easy small sentences. Doesn't matter that these sentences relate to whom or which thing, alright? If you're walking over the road, you are watching someone, she's beautiful, she's taller, he is walking in a right manner, or someone is standing on the road, she's crossing the road, anything, alright? Think all these situations every day you are watching around you in simple small sentences. Doesn't matter if the structure is very, lighted one. I mean this, it is not very heavy, it's not carrying a huge vocab. At least you are maintaining a habit thinking in English, because you never know which day or what day your tongue will be pronouncing or delivering that kind of content in English, because you have developed a habit of thinking every day in the same manner. Now, the third thing comes, that think about the functional English. It means you are thinking the English related to your real life. What you do and perform. I get up early in the morning, I brush my teeth, I take my bath, then I have my breakfast, I leave at 10:30, I reach my office, then I start working by 11 o'clock, etc, etc. It's all about how you function and how you perform. Every sentence is a simple and small, and every day you are thinking about that. alright, whatever you do. So think about this functional English. Fourth segment comes that here you need to tell a story. It means that whatever has happened around you. Last night on the dining table, what discussion you had with your family people, you need to inform about that discussion to your friends in the college. So what you are doing, you are just preparing a speech in your mind, you are thinking, you are talking to yourself that yes, this kind of conversation happened to me and I just asked to my parents or friends or whatever and they had told me this and I will deliver this to my college friends. This kind of process will help you out thinking the whole content in a paragraph and you will be delivering it once it comes to the speaking English. So once the whole process is over, you will be able to speak a fluent English. It means clear and quite nice pronunciation you will be having as a words. But it is also essential that you have to be consistent and regular with these methods. Don't skip it, alright? Don't skip, don't break the chain of practicing with this method. Then only it is going to help you out. So today I have picked the word breakfast. I just had my breakfast. It seems very delicious. I will inform my friends that how delicious breakfast my mother prepares, and tomorrow she has promised me that she is going to prepare a nice yummy porridge. Alright, this is how from journey happened from a word to a story. So in this way you need to practice your language. Now one more method I need to introduce you, and that is a talking to the children. Yes, every of you must be having your children around you. If you are beginner at the English speaking and you are having children around you and they are quite good at their basic English speaking, do speak with them because they are not going to pinch you out about the mistakes you commit, or they are not going to let you down if you do something wrong. Alright, it is going to increase your confidence and definitely you will be improving your English language in a better manner day by day. So do follow all these things, definitely you will be improving. That's all for today. Bye.